Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday. It's Homebase STL Real Estate. Some tips. I wanted to talk to everybody today about when you're going to go look at a new home, you want to make sure that you get your lateral sewer inspected. So if buying a house, and people are buying a house, we just sold a house that was 100 years old, and the seller had to make sure the lateral sewer was doing well, and it was not. And it had to be completely replaced because it had the old tile system under the slab in the basement. So what he had to do was get somebody in. They had to dig up the basement, and they had to put in new PVC piping, which went outside to the house and connected to the main. You want to make sure that when you are looking to buy, that you get this checked out, because that could be anywhere from a $3,000 to $10,000 cost if you don't have that inspection. And they're anywhere from $150 to $200, depending on the contractor that's going to be doing it for you. So please, when you're buying a house, make sure you get that lateral sewer checked out, or you're not going to be smiling. Hey, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much.